Hello guys, welcome to Angular full series. In this tutorial I will show you what is NgIf. We also talked about in the previous video about directives, and also we learned what kind of directives do we have. There are three types of directives, and in this video I am going to show you what is NgIf and how we can use it. What is NgIf? NgIf is structural directives that conditionally include a template based on the value of expression. You can display something or you can hide something by using NgIf. And how we can use it? We can use NgIf, the Boolean expression that evaluates as the condition for showing a template or hiding a template. How we can use it? Like this. So let's jump into the code how we can use it. For example, we have app component. Let me close that. We created a project in the previous video, and you can also create project, and we have, for example, I am going to declare a variable type boolean, show, for example, boolean equal true. Okay, and open HTML. Here we have for example a div NgIf is a structural directives, and this is a div. Okay, with NgIf we can display NgIf, or we can hide our element. Let's do it. How we can use it? NgIf, if the expression, this expression as we declared here, show, if it is true, then show this div. Okay, if the expression is false, the value of this expression false, then it will not be displayed. Let's see. So now the value is true. We have to see actually the div. As you can see, NgIf is a structural directive. This is our div. So let's change the value of our expression. It is false, for example. False. Save it. As you can see, it's gone. That's how we can use the NgIf to display something or hide something. It's very easy. Let me give our div a little bit height, for example 200 pixel. Okay, let me false and true. Let's show our div. See, this is our div. That's how we can display something or hide something using NgIf. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you will learn something how you can use NgIf. And if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much in advance.